Right, mate? Knob. Look at him getting right over so you can't go past. Knob.
There you go, mate.
Thank you very much. Whoa.
That bent over, what's she doing?
Oh.
You just clean your own wheels the other day?
No, I done yours as well. Oh, I could have won
Yours
then.
look particularly shiny.
No, I done yours. Let's have a look.
Something like that bar end snapped off.
Oh yeah. By the way, we're going to Plymouth. We're going to Ocean Plymouth Parts Department for that. Don't ask what happened. In fact, comment below to how that snaps off. And there'll be a prize for the winner.
Do I count?
No, you don't count.
Why are you going right here? That's what you're doing.
Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Just like I didn't mean for that lever to snap off. You should have seen the size of the bumblebee that hit that lever. What are you lolling at? Yeah, well I won't bloody lolling.
You have to pull up and get the stairs out my eyes.
We'll have to pull up because I need a wee.
Eh?
Pull up somewhere because I need a wee in a bit. Well, I need it now.
Ah, McDonald's.
I don't know, because you've got to come off, haven't you?
Oh, let's just get off here. It's very off. That's wait that long.
I don't think I can wait till Bodmin.
Eh?
If we pull into one of those lay-bys, that's a a big lay-by. I need a big lay-by.
You just go off and up. You just go in front.
No, I reckon I'll be able to see one.
You're only doing 6, yeah? Fucking off. I am just ringing if you got any cupkeepers.
Whoa, whoa, you can't say that. Don't talk about that now while the camera's on.
Oh, sorry.
Because people have got to guess. I'll have to edit that out now. Anyway, what is this, the Saltash tunnel maybe? Oh, you can't overtake in here, can you? Gotta go back.
Sure bikes are free?
I don't know. There's no price for them. We'll find out in a minute.
You're not just allowed to filter through?
I'm not sure what the rule is, to be honest.
Eh?
I'm not sure. Definitely should have took that shortcut though.
You're that song, you're not half the man I used to be, or whatever it is.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find it today to play it. You're not half the clutch lever that you used to be.
Let's come up with the fin thing.
You just go through with that guy, bravely.
See what he knows, because he can be our canary down the mine. We'll see what he does. Oh, bump.
Please. I've got to get the phone out and that's the test.
Yeah, I'll have to get mine out.
Eh?
I'll just get mine out.
No.
Unless he's got a tag.
He's in a cash only bit.
Alright.
Just as motorcycles and stuff at the booth.
Ah, yeah. Right, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well, that was the Tamar Bridge, everyone. I'll edit out Mark's bit of swearing.
You were stripping the horn, then?
I was.
What?
I was.
What?
Me two bloody convertible Volvo chicks.
What?
Me two convertible Volvo chicks. Did you come up here so you could hear me better? I do that.
Yeah.
250 yards turn left, then you have reached your destination.
Ah, mate, it's been to BM.
Then you have reached your destination.
Oh shit, I didn't realise it was up there.
Reached your destination.
Don't fucking win.
Going on the right here. And that's it. We're at Ocean BMW. They're the bikes to be picked up today, do you reckon? Nah. All done. New lever there. His bike's been unlocked. Not sure if he's gonna.
You get a BMW Plymouth.
He's second to none. Why did he go that way?
Might not like turning right.
No, everybody feels.
Casey dropped it.
Yeah, so anyway, his bike's been unlocked, he's got full horsepower, and we're ready to roll. See you in a bit. Back over to Tamar, everyone. Enjoy. Oh shit, get out of the middle. Ambulance behind us, Raz.
Been there actually. Recognise that pub and that St. German.
Yeah, that first day I got that Kawasaki, we came this way. Baz, Baz. Mark. Mark, slow down.
Horrible.
Yeah, I done the same thing. I was trying to.
23 mile an hour, that's how I was doing. I'll look to get a cold drink somewhere. Nice lolly. Yeah, about to stay out, mate.
Oh shit, yeah, you're supposed to be going out, aren't you? Have you decided where you're going yet?
Is it 1:10?
Yeah. Anyway, Rachel, if you're watching this, it wasn't Mark's fault that we're late. It was someone else's fault. Baz? Oh, you're there. Jesus. Thought I was having a bloody Max wrist moment then.
What?
I thought I was going to have to turn round. Oh, mum.
Round there, boy.
70.
I don't know which one.
I think the speedo thing must be out because it's only 60 this road, so I was doing 60 I think. I think it's when it gets to 60 it messes around with the electronics or something inside there. Let's just confirm that we don't know anybody at this Route 38. Oh, there's a Muppet. Are we going in or the petrol station?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go petrol station.
Oh, right.
That's a few places we've been now, isn't it? That's not on fuel.
Yeah.
You just on my mirror.
No. Definitely not. Oh, I like some addresses. Think she wants some help?
Yeah.
Shall I go and offer some help?
Go on, you also want to fill up. Get it on video.
Nah, she might have a boyfriend.
Nah, she's single parent, definitely.
Oh, my, shall I see?
Mobile phone
Oh, she's done it.
disconnected.
Offer to help with your trucking skills.
Does she know I'm a professional driver? Is he having a bit? No? No?
Shit, man.
Which way are we going? Straight across or right?
No, let's go to that cafe.
Don't know which one you mean. So straight across?
No, fuck it. Go straight on.
Straight across. Swearing. Oh.
Are you missed it, Rick?
You sausage dogs.
Hey, mate.
Hey mate, you got a bike, I got a bike, let's talk. Oh, you gone.
Okay.
Oh no, you're there. I'm on my own. Get out, bird of prey. Are you gone again?